Hello, today we want to show you what happens after the first 7 days after installation of the Tricentis automation recording assistant. So, we will start the automation recording assistant, and as you see, we will have a license check. After this license check, we will find out that the free 7 days trial has expired. Now we have multiple functions to apply. The first one would be to enter a license. The second would be continue recording. Let's enter a license this time. So we will press on enter license, and as we see, the license configurator is open. Here we can connect to a license, and we have multiple ways to do that. We can connect to a cloud hosted license server, to a self-hosted license server, and use a license from the local machine. We will show in that case how to connect to a self-hosted license server. In that case, I will check this mark and go to OK. Here we are, enter now the name of my license server, and again press OK. Now we will get all licenses that we have. In that case, for the automation recording assistant, we need an execution license. So now I can close the license configuration, and after a few seconds, you will see that the license is applied. I can now start my recording.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the Tricentis Academy channel to get the latest tips and tricks and user tutorials to help you best utilize Tricentis' continuous testing platform. For more information, please click the links in the description.